Do you feel shy when someone asks about your weekend plans in English? Don't worry, we're here to help. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to FluencyLab, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan. And yes, today we are talking about the weekend, my favorite time.
Of course it is. You always love weekends.
Who doesn't? No work, no alarm, more sleep.
That's true. But today, we are not just talking about weekends. We are learning how to talk about weekend plans in English.
Plans like what we do, where we go, and who we meet.
Exactly. Many people know English words, but they feel shy when someone asks, "What are your plans this weekend?"
And then they say, weekend, I sleep.
Yes, and that's okay. We're here to help.
We are your friends in English learning.
But before we start, we have a quick favor.
Yes, if you enjoy our conversations, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to FluencyLab. We want to help you speak English with confidence.
And share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Ryan, let me ask you a question.
Okay, I'm ready.
What are your plans this weekend?
Good question.
Take your time.
This weekend, I think I will sleep a lot.
That's a plan. You can say, "I plan to sleep a lot."
Oh, okay. I plan to sleep a lot.
Perfect. Anything else?
Maybe I watch TV.
You can say, "I'm going to watch TV."
I'm going to watch TV.
Very good. See? Simple.
That was easy. But Emma, what if I don't have big plans?
That's very common. You don't need big plans. Simple plans are great.
Like staying at home?
Yes, you can say, "I'm staying at home this weekend."
I like that. Staying at home sounds nice. Very nice.
You can also say, "I don't have any special plans."
Oh, I like that sentence.
Try it.
I don't have any special plans.
Perfect.
Emma, what about you? What are your weekend plans?
This weekend, I'm going to clean my room.
Wow, that sounds fun.
Not really, but it feels good after.
True. Anything else?
Yes, I plan to meet a friend.
Meet a friend. That's easy to say.
Exactly. You don't need long sentences.
Emma, what if I want to talk about Saturday or Sunday?
Great question. You can say, "On Saturday, I'm going to..."
On Saturday, I'm going to sleep.
Very honest.
And on Sunday?
You can say, "On Sunday, I plan to..."
On Sunday, I plan to watch a movie.
Perfect.
What if I don't know the exact plan?
Then you can say, "I'm not sure yet."
Oh, that's useful.
Very useful. Many people use it.
Let me try. On Saturday, I'm not sure yet.
That sounds natural.
And maybe on Sunday, I meet friends.
Small correction, you can say, "I'm going to meet friends."
I'm going to meet friends.
Exactly. You're doing great.
Wow, I feel more confident already.
That's what we want. Confidence. Ryan, do you like going out on weekends?
Sometimes, when I'm not too tired.
That's fair. What do you do when you go out?
I go to a cafe.
You can say, "I'm going to a cafe this weekend."
I'm going to a cafe this weekend.
Nice.
Or I go shopping.
Then you can say, "I'm going shopping."
I'm going shopping.
Simple and clear.
Emma, what if I want to invite someone?
You can say, "Do you want to hang out this weekend?"
Hang out. I like that phrase.
It's very common.
Let me try. Do you want to hang out this weekend?
Perfect.
What if they say no?
That's okay. You can say, no problem. Maybe next time.
That sounds polite.
Yes, very polite and friendly. Ryan, not everyone likes going out.
That's me. Sometimes I just want to stay home.
And that's totally fine.
How do I say that?
You can say, I'm staying home this weekend.
I'm staying home this weekend.
Or, I want to relax.
I want to relax. That's my favorite sentence.
You can also say, I'm taking it easy.
Taking it easy?
Yes, it means relaxing.
Oh, I like that. I'm taking it easy this weekend.
Very natural.
Emma, I think taking it easy is my new weekend plan forever.
Of course it is, Ryan.
Emma, what if I want to talk about family?
You can say, I'm spending time with my family.
I'm spending time with my family.
Or, I'm visiting my family.
Visiting my family. Easy.
What about friends?
I'm meeting my friends.
Perfect.
Emma, what if I don't want to say too much?
You can keep it short. Short answers are okay.
Like,
Just relaxing or nothing much.
nothing much. I use that a lot
Many people do.
because sometimes nothing much is the perfect plan.
Exactly. Simple is good.
Emma, can I say, I will going to watch TV?
Good try, but let's fix it.
Okay.
You can say, I will watch TV, or I'm going to watch TV.
Oh, I see. Not both together.
Exactly.
Let me try again. I'm going to watch TV.
Perfect.
I like making mistakes here. It feels safe.
That's very important. Making mistakes is okay.
FluencyLab friends, don't be scared of mistakes.
Yes, we learn from them.
Mistakes help us get better.
Let's share a few easy tips for talking about weekend plans.
Yes, please. I need tips.
Tip 1. Keep it simple. You don't need long sentences.
Simple is good.
Tip 2. Use time words like this weekend or on Saturday or on Sunday.
Those help a lot.
Tip 3. It's okay to say, I'm not sure yet.
That one is very useful.
Tip 4. Be yourself. Your plans don't need to sound exciting.
Thank you. I feel better now. My boring plans are okay.
They're not boring, Ryan. They're relaxing. Let's do a quick recap.
Yes, please.
We learned how to talk about weekend plans in English.
We talked about sleeping, relaxing, meeting friends, and staying home.
We used simple sentences like I'm going to and I plan to.
And we learned that simple English is good English.
Exactly. Keep it simple and natural. All right, FluencyLab friends, now we have a question for you.
What are your plans this weekend?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your comments.
And if this video helped you, please give it a like.
Subscribe to FluencyLab for more easy English conversations.
Share this with your friends learning English too.
Thank you for learning with us today, FluencyLab friends.
We believe in you. Keep practicing.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.